Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix LiftMaster error code 42. This code typically indicates an issue with your safety sensors, preventing the door from closing. First, check the garage door's path for anything blocking it, like a broom or a box. Even a small item can trigger this error. Next, ensure your safety sensors, located about 6 inches from the floor, are clean and pointing directly at each other. A quick visual check can often resolve the problem. Now, let's focus on those crucial safety sensors. You'll find one on each side of your garage door near the bottom. Look for the small indicator lights on them. One should have a solid green light and the other a solid amber light. If either light is blinking or off, the sensors are misaligned. Gently nudge them until both lights are solid. Also, take a moment to clean the lenses with a soft cloth. Even a tiny speck of dust can interfere. Next, we'll examine the wiring. Trace the thin wires running from your safety sensors back to the main garage door opener unit. Look closely for any visible damage, like nicks, cuts, or loose connections. Sometimes, a wire can get pinched or chewed by a pet. Also, ensure your opener is receiving steady power. A quick power cycle, by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in, can often clear minor electrical glitches. After trying these steps, test your garage door's operation. If the error code 42 persists, it's time for a deeper dive. Consult your LiftMaster owner's manual. It contains model-specific troubleshooting guides and diagrams that can be incredibly helpful. If you've exhausted all options and the problem remains, don't hesitate to contact LiftMaster customer support or a certified garage door technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and fix more complex issues safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.